Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of March 18th through the 24th. This is in my B&R Paper Crafts Plan B planner. You can see it's folded funny to make it kind of more even, but this is where we're at. Okay, anyway, for this week, I'm using this kit from Planner One Love. I think it's called Hello Spring, hence the name. But I think it'll be perfect for this week. Either the 20th or the 21st, I believe, is the first official day of spring. So it'll be nice to use this kit. And also, it's that time of year that we start seeing flowers and all of that fun stuff. So I'm excited to use this. My plan is to use pretty much just this and as little extra stuff as possible. Mostly because I'm lazy, to be honest. But I got out the kit. I did pull out this washi tape, which is from Amazon. It has gold foiling. I'm going to use this as the bottom washi, and then I did pull out 3 other washi tapes. This really skinny one from Amazon that has like blue and green and yellow stripes. This diagonal striped one that I believe is from Dollar Tree, and then this skinny one that says everything's coming up roses, which is from a Park Lane by American Crafts set from Joann's. My plan is to put them in this order for the headers. I think that's going to work out the best. And then I did also pull out, whoops, I'm just like knocking over everything. That's my light and the calligraphy ink that's holding it. I did pull out this Tombow dual brush pen. This is number 743, which is this kind of like light pinkish color. I'm going to use that for all my headers, the dates, you know, whatever. So I'm going to try to not use a lot of other extra stuff just because I don't feel like pulling anything out. So I'm going to do all of the headers and stuff. If I pull out my ruler that desperately needs to have all this washi removed from it. And then this is my print pression ceramic pen cutter slice tool situation. I'm going to use those. And then yeah, I'm just going to put all this stuff down, and then I will be back so that we can talk about the interesting bits. Okay, here's where we're at so far. I think it's looking pretty cute. I wish that would stay down. Okay, so I think for the quote box, I might as well use the Hello Spring one, since that's the theme of the week, and it's technically a quote box to go in the quote box. So also an exciting development. It's been a while since I planned, so we'll also have to see if I just fall apart with literally everything here. Okay, I think my plan is to put the boxes through the center here. So let's see. I feel like these two kind of go together, and these two kind of go together, and these two go together, and these two, and then that one's like the odd one out. That doesn't fit. So let's see. I think my plan is to try to get as close as possible to using all of these. So we'll see. I might have like one left over, but hopefully I can get close. I don't have a lot of stuff for the sidebar because I didn't print that page, so that'll help as well. All right, I'm sticking this one in the middle. There we go. So that means we're going to skip these two. So that leaves, maybe we'll do the birds on Wednesday and Friday. I realize this box doesn't actually have birds in it. It has a butterfly, but mostly just a bird cage. But whatever. same thing. Did not cut this box perfectly straight, but I think it'll be fine. There we go. And then I think I'm gonna do this box. I can get rid of the scrappy scraps here on Tuesday. That one I centered a little better than this one, although still not great. And then do its like counterpart here on Saturday. If you can hear my cat in the background, I'm sorry. Okay, and then last up, I think I'm gonna do this purple one with the rain boots here on Monday. And then the bicycle on Sunday. Okay, that's looking really cute. Then the other thing I have is I have these 7 checklist boxes, and I'm just gonna fill them in as well. Did I not cut the top of this one? I definitely did not cut the top of this one for whatever reason. Is me freehand cutting it a bad idea? Yes. Am I doing it anyway? Also yes, so that's fun. Okay. So I'm just gonna line these up with the bottom of the thing. There's 2 of this color, so I'm gonna put them at the beginning and the end, like so. And then there's 2 greens. They don't match each other, but they're both green. So we're gonna divide those up as well. And then there's a pink and a peach. All right, I think I'm gonna set that up as this peachy one here on Wednesday. I'm kind of trying to split up how the floral decorations are divided on each of them so that they're like ones that with similar vibes aren't right next to each other as much as possible. It's not perfect, but we're gonna go with it. And last, put the purple in the middle. Okay, that's looking really cute. For the sidebar, I'm gonna start out with one of these headers that says important. And then I'm gonna use one of the boxes, maybe this one. I didn't cut the corners perfectly on any of these. In fact, I'm not totally certain that I cut the corners on any of these. It's possible I got distracted. So I'm just gonna do a really messy job live while I'm filming. You can kind of see that my corner cutting tends to not be very perfect, but I also feel like it tends to not be super noticeable when I actually use the boxes, since they are like, it's white sticker paper obviously for the background. Okay, there we go. If I could get the Scrubby Scrap Selecto, that would be also great. I, of course, apparently picked the hardest box to convince to let go. Okay. Well, there we go, more or less. There's that, and then I'm going to stick in this guy. And then I'm going to stick in this guy. Need the scrappy scraps to let go. That would be super nice. Like so. And then there's this little bit of deco down here at the bottom. So I'm just going to use a couple of those like so. Okay. Sidebar done. Cute. Good to go. Sorry, my cat's being crazy in the background. Okay, so for work, my plan is to just use these little flags. So I'm just going to stick one in right there. And then I need maybe this guy. That's going to be for my video that's going up. I think that'll just be a plan with me. And then I think that's it. And then on Tuesday, maybe another video or another work. And then I'm going to use these little things with a heart for curling down here at the bottom. Wednesday, maybe I'll use the purple. All I've got planned for Wednesday is work. There we go. Thursday, I'm gonna use the other floral one, like so. And then Friday, maybe the green. There we go. And then another one of these little flags for my video. I think this is going to be the catch-up plan with me that I missed when I was traveling. And then Saturday, I've got nothing planned right now. And Sunday, I've got curling. Okay, I think that's all I've got. I've got a good amount of functional stuff left, so I will be able to use that as I do the week. But here is where we are at with the pre-planning. It's looking pretty full and really cute. I can do a little wiggle and a twerk for the bit of gold foil down here at the bottom. But I think it's looking really good. Stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here is the finished spread. I think it turned out super cute. I'll do a little wiggle and a twerk for the bit of gold foil down here at the bottom. This is definitely very springy, so great for this first week of spring. If I don't mention it, it came from the kit from Planner One Love. I do have a little bit of stuff left over, but not a lot to throw in my leftover stack. So I think a great use of the kit for this week. And really the only things I pulled in was the Tombow marker along the top and then some washi tape, the skinny ones from Amazon. This one is from a Park Lane set from Joann's. This one is from Dollar Tree, and this bottom one is also from Amazon. And literally everything else came from the kit. I did add a few little like doodles and stuff like that as I went, but that's pretty much it. So I think it turned out really cute. And I'm excited that I used this and it's very springy for sure. As always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know how your week went down below. What were your highlights? I was really just catching up from being out the previous week for when we were in Paris. And then follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You can see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.